Have you ever wondered, as you scan your items at a self-checkout kiosk, what happened to the friendly face that used to tally up your purchases? The retail landscape is changing, and it's not just about the products on the shelves. It's also about who or what is at the checkout counter. Traditionally, retail cashiers have been the heartbeat of the shopping experience. They've been the ones to greet you with a smile, help you find what you're looking for, and send you off with a friendly, "Have a nice day." They've been more than just transaction processes. They've been the human connection in the retail world. But with the advent of technology, the role of the cashier is being redefined. Automated systems, self-checkout kiosks, and even completely cashierless stores are becoming the norm. It's not just about efficiency and speed, it's about reimagining the whole shopping experience. These automated systems have a lot to offer. They can process transactions faster, they're available round the clock, and they can handle a wider range of payment options. But they're not just about convenience, they're also about data. With every scan and tap, these systems are collecting valuable information about shopping habits, preferences, and trends. But does this mean the era of the human cashier is coming to an end? Not necessarily. While automated systems can handle the mechanics of a transaction, they can't replicate the personal touch of a human cashier. They can't offer a sympathetic ear when a customer has a problem or share a laugh over a shared experience. So, while the role of the cashier is changing, it's not disappearing. So what have we learned? The retail landscape is evolving. Automated systems are becoming more prevalent, transforming the role of the retail cashier. But while these systems offer efficiency and valuable data, they can't replace the human touch that a cashier provides. In conclusion, the retail world is balancing on the fine line between efficiency and personal connection. The cashier's role is shifting from transaction processing to relationship building. While the beep of the self-service machine is becoming a familiar sound, the friendly "Have a nice day" from a human cashier is still a cherished part of the shopping experience.